is Tim, and today I'm going to be doing my review and analysis of the monthly paying dividend stock, SL Green Realty Corporation, ticker symbol SLG. It is a monthly paying dividend. In this video, I'm going to be going over the company profile as well as some pertinent information on Seeking Alpha. I'm also going to be going over the dividend information from Seeking Alpha, going over their dividend percentage, how much they pay out per share on a monthly basis, and how much that adds up to on an annual basis. I'm also going to be going over the stock performance on TradingView, and if you are interested in trading options on this, I'm going to be going over those on Robinhood. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It does greatly help out my channel, and I hope you have a great day. SL Green Realty Corporation is an S&P 500 company and Manhattan's largest office landlord. It is a fully integrated real estate investment trust, or better known as a REIT, that is focused primarily on acquiring, managing, and maximizing value of Manhattan commercial properties. Since this is a REIT, it is required by law that they pay out 90% of their profits to shareholders. As of December 31st, 2020, SL Green held interest in 88 buildings totaling 38.2 million square feet. This included ownership interest in 28.6 million square feet of Manhattan buildings and 8.7 million square feet securing debt and preferred equity investments. They have 794 employees. They were founded in 1997. Their headquarters, of course, is in New York, New York. And you can check out their website to take a look at their properties and investor relations at slgreen.com. Over the last year, their stock has increased 39.91%. Year to date, they are up 25.70%. Over the last 6 months, they are up 28.88%, which is almost year to date as it is. Over the last month, they are up 3.64%. Over the last 5 days, they are down 6.74%. The most current dividend information is that they have a dividend yield of 4.72%. They have an annual payout of $3.64 per share. They have a 5-year growth rate of 6.08% and have grown their dividend over the last 10 years. That equates to 30 cents per share every month. Their ex-dividend date is between the 28th and 30th of each month. So for instance, this month in June 2021, you would be able to get this dividend if you purchased the share before June 29th. You cannot purchase it and get this dividend on June 29th. It has to be before June 29th in order to get the dividend. And then they pay out their dividend on the 15th of the following month. Now I'm on TradingView to look at the stock performance. As you can see, I like using TradingView because I can look at the RSI and the MACD bands to show some of the performance. For instance, a lot of the times on the RSI band, when it goes below the channel here, it will shoot up shortly after that. And right now I'm at a 6-month time frame, but if you go to the 1 day, you can see that it went down below the normal band right here and then shot up, and then right now it is going down, back up, and looks like it's going to be heading down again on the RSI. So that appears to mean it will probably bounce up within the next day or two if it gets any closer to the bottom of the RSI band. Just for fun and to be interested to see how many shares of stock it would take to have in order to get $1,000 per month in dividend income with this stock. Looks like you would need, according to TD Ameritrade's income estimator for dividends, 3,300 shares, which is a market value of $254,364, which will give you $1,000.89 per month in monthly income. I know that is a lot. I don't recommend putting all your shares into just one company, just due to you have no idea if that company might at some point go bankrupt and you would lose all your money. So I recommend diversifying. You can use TD Ameritrade's income estimator to take your favorite stocks and mix and match the quantities in order to figure out which ones you want to invest in and how much in order to get to your income goals. I also want to reiterate, this is not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor or your income tax advisor or any other type of financial advisor for you. This is for entertainment purposes only. So I do hope this helps you learn about more companies so you can do your own research. But at the end of the day, investing in the stock market is a risk. You can lose money as well as make money. So do your own research and due diligence before you invest any of your money. As you can see, SL Green Realty currently on this Sunday, June 20th, 2021, markets are closed. So it is currently trading for $77.08 per share. In order to look at their options, just go to trade options. Now, if you already have 100 shares, you can sell calls on these. This is a monthly option. You cannot do these weekly like some other companies, and they have these at such a market cap that they have it in $2.50 increments. So keep that under advisement. But for instance, the next expiration date is July 16th. So if you already had 100 shares, you could, for instance, sell a call on those 100 shares for a $75 strike price, and you would collect $360 in premium. If you wanted to be sure to sell them, which I don't recommend, and you just wanted a lot of income, but if you wanted to be safer, I would do something like the $85 strike price, just due to it having an 88.82% chance of profit, as well as a delta of 0.14. You can be a little bit more risky and do something like a delta of 0.35 in order to get more, but you just have to realize that it is possible given the data of this stock that it has been at $82 to $83 within the past 3 months. So you do risk losing your shares if you do that. And so if you are interested in just making income and you are not married to your shares, which is the only kind of options trading I suggest, I do not suggest being married to your shares if you do options, then you can go ahead and do that just to earn the extra income. I personally like to keep my shares for the dividend income, and I also try to make sure that I would put in the options order after the ex-dividend date, because if the share price were to go above your strike price before or on the before the ex-dividend date, there is a good chance that it would be called away early and you would lose those shares in the meantime. Now, if you don't have 100 shares and you're interested in getting 100 shares, you can sell a put for some extra income, and that would let you buy the shares. You would need to have the collateral. So a $75 share strike price at times 100 shares, which means you would need $7,500 in collateral. And in order to do that, that means you agree to buy the stock at $75 a share, but you would be paid $1.88 per share, which is $188 for this option contract if you have that collateral. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful and informative and also entertaining. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It does greatly help out my channel, and I hope you all have a great day and stay safe.